welcome back to my channel. I am currently in Jakarta after some refreshing trip from Bandung. We are going to see how Jakarta is really like at night. Probably we will find some interesting food to try. We've been walking alongside the Tamrin Road, which is technically the main road in central Jakarta, and we are going to Sabang area. Behind me actually is the first mall in Jakarta called Serena, which is actually the helper's name of the first president in Indonesia.
When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you. You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds, and when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, to
Good satay?
Yeah.
Very good? Best in Jakarta?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Good.
Food here was really good? Yes? Where is everyone from?
alright. Ooh, baby, just hold tight. We're up the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic. And we can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance. What you gonna do? We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me.
We have just arrived at the first food that we would like to try, which is actually the Indonesian traditional pancake. People know it as Nasi Padang.
What do you think about that, Shifa?
Lots of food. So we've got 23 different dishes in front of me. I'm so overwhelmed, hungry at the same time. But if you are coming to one of these type of restaurants, don't get overwhelmed. What you need to understand is that you can only pay for what you touch. First must-try national dish from Indonesia that you have to try is called rendang, which is actually beef that is slow cooked in coconut milk and some other spices. Rendang has made its way to one of the best food internationally, and that is the famous green chili. Get the sauce, chili, rice. Cheers. My second meal would be the grilled chicken. This is basically chicken coated with plenty of spices, coconut milk, lemongrass, orange leaves, cumin. I'm going to eat that with my hands. Very common in Indonesia to use right hand to actually eat. So much easier, and then you can also feel the food just like anybody else. Now the chicken's done. We're moving on to the next one, which is anchovy. These are basically fried anchovies with a little bit of chili and some of onions right there. Get a good spoonful of chili, and if you are thinking of having a little bit of spices from here and there, it should be okay. They won't charge you. I want this flakes from the chicken, so I'll just get that. Right on to the next meal, which is basically a cuttlefish. Cuttlefish curry. Can you see that? How huge that is. You've got jackpot eggs. You've got eggs inside. That's very creamy. Didn't expect that. Okay, I'll just try a little bit of fried fish. I'll be honest, I'm not really a fan of fish. It's quite nice. We've tried chicken, fish, cuttlefish, beef, some anchovies. Now it's the time for some tiger prawns. This is basically tiger prawns cooked in plenty of sambal, coated with lots of chili. We've done with pretty much the first restaurant of the night, but it was quite overwhelming to have 23 foods served for us. Actually, some of them can be mediocre, but a lot of it were delicious. We are going to try to find another street food and see how it's going for the night. Yang favorit apa? We're currently taking a break from the street food. There are a couple of restaurants, including this particular coffee shop that sells coffee and some other small snacks. And you can sit down, have a chill out night, and listen to good music, definitely.
Looks nice, but we're not going to try it.
We had grilled chicken already. Unfortunately, the type of food that are sold around this area has a lot of repetition. You will find similar salads such as fried rice, chicken skewer, grilled fish. There are not a variety of options other than the one that I've already shown you in the video. So we're trying to figure out what other food that we can try, but something that's quite different.
We have just found out that there is a rare form of food that has not been covered so far yet in Jakarta that we know of. So we are going to go looking for this mysterious food and follow us this way. You have
found Dunkin' Donuts!
And that is a rare form of sugar food, isn't it?
Oh my god, look!
What is
We've got McDonald's in Jakarta!
I can't believe how rare they are. What do they have in McDonald's that's really rare?
Ice cream? Let's get some ice cream.
Alright, let's go.
We found a special delicacy from Indonesia. That is pretty much McDonald's. Couldn't find different variety of food. Ended up here. I hope that you enjoyed tonight's episode, even though there were not plenty of options to choose from. But I hope to see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for my patrons, supporters, my viewers and subscribers for watching. See you again next time. Bye! Hello guys, good afternoon. We are...
Alright, you're off. Can't get your head in.
Okay, stop. It's okay. That's not try again.
Okay, you're recording. Go.
Oh my god, so much smoke. Behind me is basically a street food vendor grilling the chicken.
Okay,
Smoke stings my eyes.
Righty. See, that's got a great name right there, doesn't it?
Just in case if you're wondering what sort of things that you can buy from Bandung is that they have very good bakery with a very affordable price.